Oh, yeah. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully you're having an awesome week so far. It is a gorgeous day here in Arizona. And so wherever you are, hopefully the weather is great and you are getting ready for the spring weather and bathing suit season and all that kind of stuff. So if that's you, then today is a great day to set a goal and say, this year I am going to fit into that swimsuit. I am going to be able to take off my shirt when I'm outside. I am going to look good in front of my friends and family. And that's exactly the kind of goal that's going to keep you going and keep you consistent and make it happen. So we're going to make it happen right now. We've got a warm-up with 2 rounds of 25 high knees, 10 plank balance, 25 butt kickers, and then 10 dead bugs. So starting out with those high knees, get those knees up as high and as fast as you can. You're counting right plus left equals 1. So each time that right leg comes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, get that count in there. If you need to reduce the impact a little bit, then just do a standing march or don't quite go as high if you can still keep that motion going. Either one of those are good alternatives for the high knees. The whole point is just to get the heart rate up, get that blood pumping, get those lungs moving a little bit. So after your 25 high knees, we're going to go 10 plank balance. And I want you to go on your hands with this one, and you're just going to alternate back and forth. 1 rep. 2, 3. If you need to go off your knees on this one, that's fine. Same thing. Just rotating back and forth, really keeping that torso as straight as you can, or even using that raised platform. Just like that. So whatever you need to do to get the best range of motion possible. Then we're going to 25 butt kickers, similar to those high knees. We're just bringing those heels behind us. And same thing, count that right leg each time or do that standing march and just bring those legs back one at a time. Finally, we'll finish it up with 10 dead bugs. So you're going to be flat on your back and arms overhead, and you're going to bring that right arm to left leg, left arm to right leg. That's 1, 2, 3. Now, really keep that back on the ground on this. This is not a big movement. We're really working on some mobility. We're getting that core engaged a little bit, but it's really about getting that mobility and agility between the shoulders and the arm and the legs. So after your dead bugs, go through a second round. On that second round, pick it up the pace a little bit. Go a little faster, go harder, really get that sweat going as we get into the skill and then the workout. So 2 rounds, 25 high knees, 10 plank balance, 25 butt kickers, and then 10 dead bugs. After that, we've got a skill today. We're going to be doing 2 minutes of max effort push-ups. So set that 2-minute clock, do as many push-ups as you can in that time. You can break it up however you need to. It's okay to stop and shake it out, rest for a few seconds, and then go back and keep doing push-ups. You don't have to stay up in that push-up position the entire time. What we want to see for that push-up is hands right underneath the shoulders, getting all the way down, chest to deck touching, and then right up again. If it helps to do more of a hand release push-up here, where you let go, I find that sometimes that extra little drive through helps get that momentum to get up to the top. And then the other alternative is doing the push-ups from the knees. But from the knees, I want you to start flat and push the body away from the ground. Now, if you find that doing the knees, you're almost there but not quite there, then it's okay to do a little bit more of a peel up type push-up where you're not quite bringing your hips up at the same time. And that way you're able to build up that strength in the chest and shoulders to support that push-up for the future. Or lean against something, a countertop. You can use a chair, the front of the couch, and do the same thing. Remember, the best range of motion is what you've got, but we want that big range of motion. The more you shorten it, the more we're shortening up that muscle, and we're gonna lose flexibility there instead of increase it. So 2 minutes, max effort push-ups, record your score. We'll do this one again, so we wanna see your improvement over time. For the workout today, we've got a 5-minute AMRAP, and you're gonna do this 2 times with a 2-minute rest in between the 2 rounds. At the beginning of the second round, you are gonna start at the beginning, and the goal is to get more rounds in the second round than you did the first. And so find that pace and stick with it. The exercises in this 5-minute AMRAP are gonna be pretty simple. We've got 15 air squats, 10 sit-ups, and then 5 burpees. So as many rounds as possible of 15 air squats, 10 sit-ups, and 5 burpees in 5 minutes, 2-minute rest, and then you'll do another 5 minutes starting at the beginning. On those air squats, feet about shoulder width apart, push those hips back and down, get those arms out for a counterbalance, and then arms back down at your sides as you stand all the way up. And find a speed with this. You can start out that first round just getting going, but once you get into this and you feel warmed up and good, get that speed going, get down and up, and make sure you get that full extension every time. If you start to short this, you're not gonna release the pressure from those quads, and it's gonna be easier by standing all the way up, and you'll feel better through it, plus the range of motion is gonna be there. You can also do the air squat from a bench, where you're sitting down and standing up, or holding onto an object, and this is just gonna decrease the resistance and help you keep your chest up. After your 15 air squats, you've got 10 sit-ups. On those 10 sit-ups, either butterfly the feet or put them straight out in front of you. That'll help you get all the way up on that sit-up, but you're going all the way down, shoulders touching the ground, and throw those arms forward as you come all the way up to the top. And just keep that motion going for those 10 sit-ups. If you need to do this from a standing position or sitting position, you can go opposite knee to elbow each time from a standing position, or from sitting, just bringing the knees into the chest and letting it go here. So as long as you're getting that good core work in, that's what we want. The final exercise is going to be 5 burpees, where you're getting all the way down to the ground, jumping those feet forward, and then give me that jump at the top every time. And either jump back or step back, step up and go. And same thing from a raised platform. Jump or step. So 5-minute AMRAP, 15 air squats, 10 sit-ups, 5 burpees, as many rounds as possible. Take a 2-minute rest, and then do another 5 minutes starting at the beginning. Get more rounds in the second round than you did in the first. So have fun with this one. Go fast, go hard, post your scores, post your times. We want to see what you're doing. If you need access to Beyond the Whiteboard, or you're not sure what to do there, send me a message, give me a call. We're happy to help. We'll make it happen. So thanks a lot, guys. Good work. Keep it going. And if you need anything, that's what we're here for. So have a great day. Coach Skip signing off.